Have you ever tried printing or creating a PDF document based on an Excel file but ended up with a mess? Yeah, I know. Let's come with me to say hello to the page layout. Page layout is a tool for customizing your document's look and feel. You can tweak your margins, apply themes, adjust page orientation and size, and even throw in sections or line breaks. It's like giving your document a makeover but with just a few clicks. Let's get started. Here I have prepared the available data. And now let's switch to the page layout view by clicking this icon in the bottom right. And your worksheet will look like this. After that, go to the page layout in the ribbon, and you will find everything you need here to modify your worksheet, such as margins, page orientation, size, print titles, and many more. If you click the orientation command, it has two options of page orientation, portrait and landscape. If you choose portrait, it'll fit more rows, and if you choose landscape, it'll fit more columns. And for this worksheet, let's choose landscape. You will automatically see the change, but there's still one column that is getting cut off on the right, like this, but that's okay. If you adjust the margins, we should be able to fit all the columns on a single page. Now click the margins command and choose narrow to fit all the columns on a single page, like this. But if you're not satisfied with the result, you can customize your margins depending on what you need. Just go back to the margins command and choose custom margins. And here you can tweak the size of your margins. While you're at it, you can also preview the customized margin. And after you're satisfied with the result, you can click OK. Ta-da! Your worksheet is updated. You can also add headers and footers on your worksheet by clicking the area here. This will open the Designs tab for working with headers and footers. You can add the page number, today's date, and any information you want to put into the header and footer. And for the page number, when you're done, click anywhere else in your worksheet to exit. Now the pages are numbered. Here's the page 1 and page 2. And as you can see here, on page 2, there's the title headings. Of course, you can add title headings on each page, and to do that, go to the page layout tab and click print titles. Next, click the button next to the field you want to repeat. You can choose either rows or columns. The dialog box will show up, and your cursor will turn into a selection arrow. From here, you can select the data you want to repeat on each page. Then, click the button again to go back to the dialog box. And when you're done, click OK. And now your header row appears at the top of page 1 and page 2. And if you want your data to be divided evenly, you can press the page break preview using the command in the bottom right. After that, simply select the row where you want the page break to appear. And for this worksheet, let's break the page here. And then click page break in the ribbon and choose insert page break. Now switch back to the page layout view and zoom out just a little, and you can see here that your page has divided evenly. And that's all about the tools that you need to customize your page layout. Don't forget to practice it at home. Give this video a like, comments if you have any questions, and share to your friends if you find this video helpful. Also, subscribe to this channel for more video tutorial like this. See you in another video!